In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a message as unread in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open the Microsoft Teams app on your device. Whether you're using it on a computer or a mobile application, the process is quite similar. If you haven't installed the app yet, you can easily download it from your organization's software portal or the official Microsoft website. Once the app is open, the next step is to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. You'll need to enter your email address and password credentials. This will give you access to your workspace, chats, and Teams. After you've logged in successfully, navigate to your dashboard. This is where you'll find all your chats and team channels. Spend a moment looking for the specific chat that contains the message you want to mark as unread. Once you've located the chat, scroll through the conversation to find the exact message you wish to flag. This might take a moment, especially if it's a busy chat, but it's essential to find that particular message. Now here's where it gets interesting. Hover your cursor over the message. By doing this, you'll reveal a small menu of hidden actions specific to that message. This menu is very useful and provides you with multiple options to help manage your chats effectively. Next, click on the three dots that you see, which represent the More Options menu. This will open up a drop-down menu with various choices related to the message you've selected. Look through the options until you find the one labeled Mark as Unread. Once you've found that option, simply click on it. This action will flag the message as unread, allowing it to stand out for you to address later. Finally, take a moment to verify that a notification badge has appeared next to the chat or team channel. This badge indicates that there are unread messages, making it easy for you to spot it when you return. And just like that, you've successfully marked a message as unread in Microsoft Teams. This feature is immensely handy for keeping track of conversations that require your attention later, so don't hesitate to use it whenever you need to. Thanks for watching. Now you can easily manage your messages in Teams and stay organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video.